Beach waves are really popular, but if you have straight hair like Michaela here, it can be hard to do at home. Today I'm going to show you how to create this look using Aveda Texture Tonic, a coat hanger, and a bobby pin. To get started, you're going to need coat hangers. These you can pull out of your closet, and if you don't have any at home, ask a dry cleaner. I'm sure they'll give them to you. The first step is you're going to cut them off with a wire cutter, and you want to create big U-pins like this. You don't have to take perfect sections for this technique because with beach hair, it's all about it looking fun, easy, and natural. The larger section that you take of hair, it's also going to create a larger zigzag look. So I've got a nice big panel of Michaela's hair here, and I'm gonna spray a little bit of Aveda Texture Tonic throughout. The more product, the more crunchy or hold will be in the hairstyle. And then I'm gonna comb that through. And from here, this is the fun part. So you're gonna take your coat hanger and you're gonna insert the hair in a figure 8 motion. So the hair's gonna come through, loop across, until you completely run out of hair. And then you're gonna secure with a bobby pin. So sliding that bobby pin right up the center. Once you have that in place, you're gonna grab your flat iron and you're gonna heat it up. Because you're using a wire coat hanger, it's going to conduct heat and really set the wave into the hair. And like I said earlier, because Michaela has such straight hair, it would be impossible for her to diffuse any volume or curl into her hair. So if that's you at home, this is a great option for you. So you're gonna continue working up the head in that manner. And my section sizes are big because if I go too small, you're gonna end up with an 80s crimp instead of a really beautiful summer beach wave. We've used 4 coat hangers to create this look with Michaela, so 2 sets. In total, we have 8. So you can see that we have 2 over the ear, and then 2 through the top, and then 4 where there's the highest density through the back. If you have higher density hair, you may expect to have more than what's in Michaela's hair. If you have low density hair, you probably need half the amount that's in Michaela's hair. Once you've pressed all of the coat hangers, from here you're gonna take them out. So really simply, you're just gonna pull out the bobby pin at the bottom, and then you can pinch at the top, and you're just gonna slide the hair out from the U-pin. Once you have all the U-pins out, what you'll do is just rake your fingers through the waves and break them apart to your liking. If you have straight hair like Michaela, I like to kind of comb everything out a little bit more with my fingers. And even if it looks like it's relaxing the look too much, don't worry because your hair type naturally will lose volume very quickly. And like any beachy look, you can choose a side to part it on or wear it down the middle. And there you have it, a beautiful beachy look on otherwise really straight hair.